attend the interviews,
To attend a
to attend for the interviews, automation interviews.
okay, I think you guys, so I could see many of them you are struggling to get the interview calls. That's the reason uh, I can say we have arranged this session, right? So first of all, uh, again, okay. So in this session, we have a some point like your guidance point where I have collected few points why you are not getting the interview calls, and you know what you have to do. Okay, so many of them are struggling and like 2 year of experience or more than 2 3 or 5, right? So still you are not getting the calls. So now the market is bit not good, okay, but still openings are there. You have to you have to give the some extra effort. Understood, right? So what is the extra effort you have to do? Suppose any of them like having the only manual testing, right? So I will discuss now what a skill set is required. Okay, the current market. Okay, if you don't have in your resume, definitely you will struggle more to get the interview calls. Okay, because the competition is high. Why high? Because multi-skilled people are there, then why the company will hire you? Got it, right? So first of all, software testing, right? When I say the software testing, so your job is to find the defect, and many of them are really you are working on the manual testing, you work on the lot and struggling to switch the company, or many of them are like trying to get the job as a experience, or you do not work in the real time. So first of all, you are good in your software testing. Like we have some mindset, if you know only automation then you will get the job, but if you will go for the client round or managerial round, right? Understood, right? So the first round might be automation requirements are there, they will ask you only question from the automation, but when you will go for the managerial round or client round, how many people are rejected in managerial round and client round? Okay, no problem. So they are going to check you what is your understanding of software testing concept. Understood, right? So some of the critical uh, scenario they will ask you, and how you are behaving. Suppose one of the client round they ask me, I'm just giving you one example, I worked on the Java Selenium much. They ask me, we have a automation for Playwright and JavaScript. What you will say? What is your answer? I clear first level of, they are taking 2 level of the interview in the client round in Virtusa. I clear first round, and second round they are asking, we have a project for JavaScript with Playwright. What is your answer? Anyone of them can give your answer. Suppose you have worked on a different technology, and someone will ask you to work on the different technology. What is your answer? So here your confidence is also very important. I don't have in my means I do not work on that, but I can prove them within, I need 2 week time, or you can just how you are in spending your time to learning, right? You know, if I say you have to learn this set up the skill, how much time you will take it. Accordingly, you can say commit, hey, I can learn within 2 weeks and I'm able to deliver the task. That is a different task you are able to do or not, but you already selected, right? So confidence is also important. So manual means software testing concept are very important, do not ignore that. Okay, so again here I don't have a syllabus handy, so you can refer Guru 99. Okay, Guru 99 for manual testing, or you can refer my tutorial also, that is also fine. Hope everybody know Guru 99, right? Everybody know GRU 99, right? You don't know? So
We know, Mohit.
yeah, I think many of them don't know. I'll just guiding them. So guys, you have to join live session or not, it totally depend upon you, but I'm just giving you something guidance where you can, whatever knowledge you have or where you are going to stuck. So I like to learn more, like GRU 99. So they mention point to point, okay, and some of the things are they don't mention clearly also. Okay, you can refer, and you can see they clearly explain topic wise. So please do not ignore this, okay. Then the problem is the time management. Many of them are working, right, and you don't have much time. But you already know what is your big point. Suppose I am big in I can say I am weak in Java, right? So I will take the first priority to learn the Java if I am spending 1 hours. Suppose I am not good in software testing, so take the priority where you are lacking more, right? Slowly, when you will work on that, no, result will not come in one day. Slowly, if you have some plan and make a one plan, you can see I have one notebook. If you will see my notebook, right, because I have a many thing. Can see I how I make the plan. This is my plan. I think you guys are not able to visible. In 1 hours, what we have to do, we have a full day plan. So do not say I don't have a time. Okay, so keep one notebook, make a plan for your tomorrow, what you have to do. Okay, this is very important. What you are doing tomorrow, you don't have a plan, your day is gone. Okay, so keep one notebook. And so first thing, you have to go for the GRU 99. Okay, and just explore what you are missing. Some of the important topics are there. If you are not able to understand those topic, you can refer my tutorial also. Around many tutorial are there. What you like, you can, my just agenda is here to how I can guide and how you guys can improve yourself. So you can refer his tutorial also, as that Pawan also is also giving the very good content and very senior guy. Okay, so you can refer their tutorial also and my tutorial also we have. Okay, but do not mess up. Okay, suppose just I will give you one example. Suppose you are learning agile, right? Suppose you are not understanding agile from here. Okay, then you can refer some tutorial. If you are understanding, right, make a notes. Okay, because second time you have to not go and again. So if you have a notes, is very important, because tomorrow your interview is there. Then what you will do if you don't have a proper note? So revisions, how you will do revise, because everything is there in your handy, then you can revise easily. So please go through that. Okay, and engineers take up. So you can see in my tutorial also there. Okay, so we have a playlist around 35 video I have uploaded. You can refer. I try my best to explain in very layman language. That is the one thing. Okay, I'm just giving you right now what is your very important and mandatory skill, because in software testing we have a many things are coming in the market. Everything you have to not learn right now. What you have to learn right now, primary skill set and what the company is looking for, and in your resume it must be there, otherwise your profile will not select. Okay, resources I have told you where you have to learn. Second thing, if you are in automation, right, and if you don't have a manual testers, or if you don't have a automation skill, I think you guys will struggle too much to get the interview calls. Okay, please start to learn automation side by side. You can try to effort in manual testing also, but you have a target within 1 month and 2 months. At least I have a some, even I can say 1 year experience, or you can mention, you even do not mention here experience. You can say I am in the learning phase, but if you have experience, they will consider your profile. Okay, so but still if you have current company, in my current like in my company, they are hiring for Salesforce. So I'm selecting the guy who is having the good knowledge in software testing. HR told me select the people having good knowledge in software testing and 20% knowledge in automation. If someone will say I do not work but I have a knowledge, I ask basics question. If they are okay, then I consider their profile. Understood, right? So if they are zero in the automation, even I can't select them because their requirement is at least have automation knowledge. So your automation is mandatory. And now they're struggling what to learn. Okay. See, Java, Python, and JavaScript. Okay. Three languages right now we required in the market. Okay. Still 80% Java is captured. Okay. If you are a beginner in the automation, please start with Java. If you know the Java, it's a very easy to learn Python and JavaScript. So your backbone of automation is Java Selenium. They are hiring for Tosca, but Tosca people are less. Then they said if the candidate knows Java Selenium, hire him. So hire them. Okay, so I hope you are understanding the beginner, right? If you are a beginner, so where you can learn. So again, many of them are struggling with Java knowledge. Okay. So here, when you are going for the automation, your 60 to 70% question they will ask you from the programming. If the profile is there for the automation, means they will give you only automation task. They won't be give any I can say yeah, I will share the YouTube link on I think Babita you are there, right? In WhatsApp group, right? I click share here. Okay. I'm not sure why I'm not able to send the message. Okay guys, I will share all the links on your WhatsApp group. No worries. Okay. Got it, right? So learn Java. Okay. So here the problem is we are lacking in programming and rejecting in the interview, right? So first focus on your technical skill. So learn Java. Okay, you can refer my tutorial. If you are guys beginner, I will not recommend you to any others people to refer the tutorial. You can refer my YouTube Java whatever I have uploaded. If you are beginner, you will definitely confuse because I have struggled 1 year to learn the Java when I was searching the job. Okay, because when I am going for any tutorial, I'm asking to my friend and my seniors where I can learn Java. They are referring their tutorial. Many tutorial you will get it. I struggle one year to learn the Java. Then one of my friends, he is the Java developer. He learned from in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad having the best teacher. Not everyone best, but some of the teachers are legacy. He learned from them. Then I met him one of the institute only. Okay, so when I was struggling and finding the job, then I have seen like why this guy joined their institute. He is very good in technical, okay, but he doesn't know how to find the job in Bangalore. I know how to find the job, but I don't have a technical. Okay, then we discuss together and what is the big point. I have a big point to a skill set, and he doesn't know how to prepare the proper resume, how to attend the interview. He doesn't know how to give the introduction also, but I have attended many interviews, so I have a good idea to how to attend the interview. We sit 6 months, okay, and we sit 6 months and we forget what is the going on outside the world, and we prepare well, then came in the market. Within 1 month we have a multiple offer letter. So we work on where we are lacking. So I learned Java and he has guided me, and I thought this is the big problem everyone is facing. So as per my experience, I have designed the Java course. Please guide me. Can we learn Python first, then switch? So Avinash, you can learn it, no problem at all. So if you are learning Python, learn in the depth. Okay, do not learn in the, I can say, do not learn like basics. Okay, so you will get many tutorial on the YouTube. Okay, as your wish. Okay, I will give you some tutorial guys regarding the Python where you have to learn. If you heard about of, if you have a more time, then we have a DurgaSoft tutorial for Python. You can learn in the depth. Okay, understood, right? Okay, so if you have a time, because he teach very depth. Okay, so
Java
learn.
code.
And Udemy, right? Udemy, you will get many tutorials. Okay, for Python automation. Okay, after learning that, just do the practice for the framework as well. This is also applicable for the Java as well. Okay, so if you are giving the 1 year experience in your resume, they are not considering. Yeah, that is the problem. 2 year till 2 year, still the MNC consider these guys are fresher, but still they have a requirement. Okay, so suppose you are doing lot of effort and you will get, at least you have a target in 1 week. I have a one interview calls minimum, and you can make maximum what you want, what effort you want. But the first thing you have to work on the skill set. Second thing, I will just show you one template of the resume. We can prepare accordingly. Then after that I will tell you how to search. Yeah, you can go ahead for Rahul Sethi, no problem. He is also the good tutor. You can go ahead, no problem. Okay, so my agenda is what you like, just go, but learn in the depth. Don't go for basics. If someone will ask you the cross question, Rahul Sethi, it's good, but sometimes he is not going in the depth. Like programming you can learn and just you can refer. Okay, so but programming you have to learn extra. Okay, I think that tutorial, the programming do not have a in the depth. If you will go in the company, they're asking the coding like you are a developer. That is the problem. If you will join in the company, even you will not use all the concept, but in the interview they will ask you. Okay, but learn Python in the depth, that is fine. Java tutorial you can refer mine one also. After that, whatever tutorial you will refer, you will understand. Okay, once you are able to understand this Java, I think many of them already joined my classes. Many of them, they have joined my live classes already, who also joined this session. I think this is the 29 video I have uploaded. If you will complete this 29 video, if you are a beginner, then you can ask me what to do next. Okay, but you have to complete 29 video first. Okay, then I will tell you what you have to do next. Okay, so whatever the programming you are learning, that is fine. Then after that you have to practice for Java logical programming. Okay, I know for Java concept of the day, and just you can go and you can practice programming from here. 90% company will ask you the question from this website. This is also applicable for Python. Suppose you guys are from the Python background, take their question and try to solve in the Python language. Understood, right? Almost questions framings are same. Got it, right? So if you're not able to write the code, just search on the Google, you will get it the solution. So same, you can see a string questions are there, array questions are there. This is also applicable for Python also. So practice from the programming here. Yours, if you 60% are okay and your 40% or 30% Selenium, okay, then now you can learn Selenium with framework. Okay, then Cucumber. Okay, if you are good in Java, Selenium and Cucumber, you will get many tutorial for the Cucumber. You will refer, I don't have a Cucumber tutorial in my channel. For Cucumber, Raghav Pal, I think you already know, right? You can refer his tutorial also. Okay, he teach Cucumber very nicely. Okay, if you are a beginner, you can refer, okay, his tutorial. Okay, Raghav Pal, step by automation, step by steps. you can refer him. Okay, that is enough. Okay, right now that is enough. If you want to explore more Cucumber, you will get many tutorial on the Udemy. You can refer. That is your next level. These three things, if you have a 80% in your interview, it's a very rare chance they will reject you. Okay, another important things, API, you have a basics knowledge. Okay, if I say what is card operation, like what is post, what is get, this type of the you have a knowledge, you know how we can validate with postman tools. Okay, again you will get many tutorial on the postman. Even my channel also around 42 videos are there. Okay, now you can learn basics git command. Okay, and Jenkins, they will not expect you have a depth knowledge. Okay, but if you will get in the time in the future, you can explore, but you can just know how to create a build, how to execute the build, that is fine. Git is also important. So these are the skill set is required in your resume. Okay, if you don't have, start to learn and prepare. Okay, and mention in your resume, otherwise it's very difficult to get the interview calls. Understood, right? So we have a one resume format. Okay, if you want I will share this. Okay, so you can see how nicely I have seen the people are having the resume. It's very colorful. They are written the right and left side. That is very difficult to understand. Okay, means I don't have a time. I means when I'm taking the interview, I don't have a time. I can't go to read like this and this. Just I'm going to check work experience. You can see how I have mentioned some professionals summary, right? You can see total year of experience and highlight this automation skill. Okay, you can see I have highlighted this automation skill. So you can see I bold that core Java Selenium, Cucumber framework, API testing. So these are the mandatory skill set, guys. If you are learning also, you can write in the resume experience. How many experience? Do not write here. At least this keyword will search you in your Naukri and LinkedIn. Okay, these guys have some knowledge on experience. Later will, at least you will get the interview calls, right? Slowly, whatever the preparation you have, you can try to give the answer, and slowly you can go ahead. You can also mention some manual testing here. If you want, you can add more point also. Then your education tools, whatever you have worked on that, technical skills. Okay, so this is how you have to, and project. Okay, then project and roles and responsibility is also very important. I could see many of them, they have mentioned I have a 4 years of experience in automation. When I go through that roles and responsibility in their project, they do not mention roles and responsibility in the automation. Okay, so these are the things are very important. Okay, you can see the format almost same for the all the project, and like this the PDF format. I will share this one also. Okay, first of all, work on the skill set. Second thing, you have to prepare your resume well. And third thing is very important, how many people having the 2 account on your Naukri? 2 accounts. Abhay, what about of others? Okay guys, so in Naukri, minimum you have a 2 accounts. Okay, how to create a 2 accounts? Okay, 2 mobile number and 2 email ID. Suppose your, okay, my session will end after 10 minutes. Okay, even we almost completed. So your email ID and your mobile number, 2 email ID and 2 mobile number. Suppose you are using those email ID like last 1 year, create new email ID. Okay, do not use very old one. If you are using from 2 year or 3 year, create new email ID, mobile number is same. Okay, and you can deactivate the previous Naukri account. You have a fresh email ID. Got it, right? And 100%, yes, 100%. See, one account you can keep like this, and one account after 3 months or 4 months, you can again create a new email ID and you can create a new Naukri account. So what happened? So whatever the interview you have attended or rejected, right? Then they won't be called. But after two or 3 years, you have a new email ID. You will get again the calls from the company you have rejected, because 90% company is filtering your resume from or their database on your email ID. Okay. Second thing, the LinkedIn accounts, it should be a crystal clear. Okay. And you can spend on, I'll show you something here. If you are watching my Hindi channel, I already explained you. So I am also posting the requirement from LinkedIn, Naukri and other site. Okay. So I'm just guiding you also how you will get. Suppose if you will go in the job section, or you can see we have a job section. So here bit difficult when you will apply also. Sometime the resume will not come. And second, first thing, you can just keep your profile very clear. Just check in the YouTube how to create a LinkedIn account, or if you don't have, but create it. Okay. So suppose I have some requirement in TCS. Okay. One more thing, I think you guys, if you are don't know, first I will go. You can see the recent job poster already there. You can go here and you can easy to apply, or apply is there. Okay. You can spend also around, try to, you have a target to at least apply to 10 job or 15 job per day. If you are not getting call from the Naukri, then definitely you will get the calls. Okay. And one more thing I want to say, try to, if you have a more experience, to minimum 3 years of experience in the automation you can put. If you will go for 2 also, the company is not going to consider. The people having the 2 year of experience, you don't have any option. You can afford. Okay. Like suppose we have a I can say Vachusha. Okay, let me search. Okay, you can see like that. Second, I'm just trying to find the HR contact. Okay. So if you will search here Accenture, or I'm just TCS, why it is coming Accenture only? Okay, no problem. I will write manager. So what is the objective here? If you will go in this or you can go for the Accenture page. I'm not able to find the exact keyword, guys. So what is the agenda? You can find the people who is working on the Accenture. Okay. And their HR, and directly you can send the connection. Okay. And suppose you are seeing some job here. Suppose we have a Genpact, the job is there. You can find the Genpact people who is working in the Genpact or HR. Okay. Ask them, this is the requirement. You can just give the one cold message. Just you can check on the ChatGPT how to message them if you don't know. Okay. And you can reach out to them directly. Okay. And ask them, we have this requirement. This is my resume. Please refer me. Might be out of 10 people, sometimes they will not reply the 10 people also. But if you will keep trying, just 10 to 15, you have a target. If you have a time, you can go for 10 to 15 or 20 jobs. You can afford like this. And I'm posting already. If you have a 2 year, 3 year of experience, send all your profile, whatever the email ID I am posting, just send at least. Okay. So in future, might be they will call you if you have a requirement. Do not hesitate to send the profile. Okay. If I have a 2 year, I'm not going to send it. Okay. And notice period, if you are not working, just say I am the immediate joiner. Or if you have a 90 days notice period also, you can keep, minimum notice period 60 days or 45 days. Got it, right? So these are the things you have to do. Okay. And there is no other shortcuts. Okay. You have to spend your time and effort also to get the interview call. This is also very important. Understood, right? If you guys have any question, you can ask me. Okay, and still I am there in help you to WhatsApp group. I am there to help you guys. Okay, have any question? This session will expire.
Mohit,
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, I just want to ask. You told we have to have two Naukri accounts.
Yes.
So I already have two. I already have one account. So
Okay.
can I continue the same phone number and
No,
one? I have
it
two
won't
SIM
be
cards.
accept. You have a minimum 2 mobile number. Otherwise, Naukri will not accept. Email
No,
ID.
no, two same mobile number I can use which I had before. I'll deactivate that account. I will
No
create
problem.
a new
You
account,
can use it.
new
You
email
can
ID.
email ID. You can create a new one. Okay. Mobile number
Phone
you can
number
use.
same will be okay.
Yes. Same
Okay.
is okay. But and keep updating. Morning you can update when you wake up or update 9 to 10 update and 12 o'clock update. Keep updating your, so it will be on the top. Okay. And
Right.
location, if you are not getting guys call, keep Hyderabad and Bangalore till now, and you can keep your whatever location you can keep also. Okay, just try it. Okay, at least you will get the calls, you will get experience how to crack the interview, means how to attend the interview. When you will get the better opportunity, the probability is that you will select over there. Okay, so and do not say no. Whatever you are getting, say yes, attend the interview. If you don't have a preparation 100%, that is also fine. If you have a 20% preparation, also attend the interview. When you are attending the interview, you are getting the real experience. If you will giving the more interview, and when you will get the whatever expecting, that opportunity won't be miss. Okay, do not lose your opportunity. Even you are don't have a I can say don't have a preparation, attend the interview. Okay, do not skip any interview. That is loss for you. Okay, anyone of them have any question? Okay guys, so I am there on the WhatsApp, so no worries. Okay, so you guys can ping me if you have a more questions. So I'm just going to end this session. Okay,
Thank you so much.
no problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all. Thank you.